This drawing is going to be how to draw an ice cream cone. Okay, get your quarter sheet of paper. I do not draw on a full-size sheet of paper. I get a full-size sheet of paper and I cut them into 4 pieces, and then I just use one of the small pieces of paper. It is easier to draw smaller, and while we are learning how to draw lines and shapes, with lines and shapes, it's just a lot easier to draw small. So get your sketchbook or your quarter sheet of paper, and here we go. The first step you're going to do is you're going to draw a letter V at the bottom of your quarter sheet of paper, just like that. Use your pencil, draw light, that way if you have to erase, the lines go away. I am using a Sharpie just so that you can see the lines that I draw. The next step we are going to do is you're going to go from this point of the letter V, you're going to go up in a diagonal, you're going to stop halfway through, and then you're going to go down and make a drip, so it's like a letter U, and go up. Then you go back down, make another small drip, letter U, go up, and then I'm going to connect the letter V just like that. Next step, you're going to draw from this side of the letter V, you're going to draw a letter C. This side, you're going to draw a backwards letter C. And then we're going to connect the 2 C's like a small curve, just like that. Next step, same repeat. We're going to do a letter C. It's going to go inside just a little bit. Letter C, and then go inside here just a little bit. Backwards letter C. And then we're going to curve and connect the top of the letter C's, just like that. Then the next swirl up top, you're going to go where this side is, go up, curve, you're going to stop, you're going to go in like this, a backwards letter C, and then you're going to go out and connect just like that. Now the waffle cone, all we're doing are cross hatches. So you do a diagonal line like this, 3 or 4 diagonal lines going across the letter V's. Now I'm going to do one here. I'm going to start and I'm going to stop at the drip, and I'm going to pick up my pencil, continue on this side, so I'm not going to go across my drip. And then I'll connect just like that. And then now we are going to cross these lines. We're going to go this way now. Go across. And that represents your waffle cone. So that was easy. Ice cream cone, just like that. Get your color crayons or your color pencils and color them whatever flavor that you would like. Please subscribe to my button and enjoy making more drawings with me as I teach you how to draw with lines and shapes. Do your best and keep practicing with these designs. If the swirls were a little difficult for you, just keep practicing over and over and you'll get better as you practice.